Okay, the next thing to do now, like I said, is to edit with Elementor. So, well, there are options here: site settings, theme builder. Don't worry, you're using Astra, don't bother yourself too much. If you want to go deep on Elementor, you can go to YouTube and find some cool videos out there that you can actually use. So let's get started with edit with Elementor. Possibly I could create a video that explains how edit with Elementor works, but I just want to give you the basics of things. And if I see it as something needed, I can be putting up videos relating to WordPress and how you can maximize this WordPress opportunity. So remember that the beautiful thing to maximize these things I'm sharing on this course is to explore by yourself. These options I have shown you from the customized area of this Astra theme. So we are going to edit with Elementor right now. So Elementor is loading. So this is it. This is Elementor. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, there's something new, interesting. Introducing the AI image generator. Generate new images or edit existing ones with text to images, image prompt. Wow, this is interesting. Wow. Wow, wow. Have several things: create custom code, write content, and generate images with Elementor's comprehensive AI toolbox. Wow, choose from 29 preset styles that will supercharge your prompts, and check out the image prompt gallery for inspiration. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Well, we can continue. If you want to learn more, you tap on learn more, right click on the new tab to take you to where you can learn more. But let's continue. Activate containers. Well, how am I going to explain this? Okay, Elementor has a way of building websites with containers. Containers is a new method that actually helps you to structure your website and make it easier to build user-friendly website. Though we've been used to what we call columns, you understand, but now Elementor is introducing containers. So I can activate containers, or I can say try it first. So I can go to try it first if I want to, but for the purpose of this course, so you don't get confused because of the data template, you can close. Now, this is it. Elementor allows you to make changes, you understand. So I can decide to clear here. Let me try edit with AI. Let me see how it works. I have to connect first. Oh, wow. Okay, what does it tell me to do? Authorize. Oh, oh. Okay, I don't need that now. I don't need that. But I think it's something we can explore later on. But this is it. So I can change text like like the tip I gave you earlier. Just learn to change text as you get started. So you have the option here to change text, you understand, and whenever you are done, ensure you tap on update. You have the option here to change request a callback. Put in what you want to put. If it's your WhatsApp, it's actually the short code is wa.me / your mobile number. So when you are doing this, you put the international additional number, but do not add the plus sign. So with this, when someone clicks on it, you see it won't really take them directly to WhatsApp until you add this option called HTTPS iPhone. You understand? So it tells Elementor this is a website, so it takes it directly to the website. Okay, so once you've done this, you can see So there are lots of things you could change. So you could change the image. Well, more details on Elementor, but I just want you to get the basics. Don't trouble yourself, because this is a first step, introduction to WordPress, making changes to your site. So you could change these things. Remember the rule that I gave you. So please follow that rule. That's it. So this option, this button, something is wrong. So what we need to do, it's simple. We will just, if we want, we can go to style. So you see the beautiful thing about Elementor, you can go to style. What our problem is now is the text itself. The text color, it's not working. So we can choose text color. So you see by default there are some colors here. Let's select this. You see, yeah, but this is what is happening. I selected it, but nothing is working. Just go to hover, because this option is called hover. As you take your mouse, it's hovering around. So you could go to hover and say, okay, text color on hover should be something like white. So you see, wow, that's it. You could just change images, choose image. That's what you do. So the beautiful thing too is you can be able to search somewhere like Pixabay on WordPress with the aid of the Elementor. I think, sorry, the starter template by Astra. I think that's what provided this option for us. So that's the beautiful thing about plugins. So you could choose something. So let's say I choose this. But remember, you could also search. You could also search. Let's say, let me search for businessman. Businessman. Just wait while it loads. Let's see where it takes us to. So just some moments while it is loading. While it is loading, you can also decide to upload if you want. If you have something to upload file. But okay, I just have one. I can select one here. This one. Okay, just select. You'll see what will happen right now. It's going to change. This image removes and brings in that new one. So it's taking some time because I don't know, it seems it's trying to download the image that I just selected. But we can just wait a little to confirm. But same rule applies here. Change image, you understand? Change title, change text, change text, change text. You understand? So have an emergency, so you get. So this is what it is. I think I'm going to create a different module of how Elementor works. I think it's worth doing so, a separate module specifically for Elementor. Yeah, but this is just getting you started with building websites with WordPress. So here you can put in your works, your images of your works. You understand? That's what you would do here. So if you've carefully selected a template that fits into the business you are building a website for, then you don't really need to bother much. So here's a phone number. Just change the phone number. You can also put the same WhatsApp link we created earlier on here, and you can also change the image. So let's go back to confirm. Wow, it did not change. So let's tap on choose image. What happened? Let's confirm what happened. Let's go to media library. Oh, the image did not add. So let's type again, businessman. Let's be sure what happened. Businessman. Select. Okay. I've selected this, right? Yeah. So let's tap on save and insert. Oh, you see that we did not tap on that? I don't know. Okay. So I've saved and I've inserted. So things are changing. You can now understand how things are working. So you could change images and everything. So possibly, perhaps you have all our services. Remember this option, view all services. we can change the color as we did earlier on with this. So the thing is that templates are not perfect sometimes, so you should be okay with that and learn to make changes yourself on those areas. And the beautiful thing is that WordPress is user friendly. So if you tap this icon, it allows you to change things on mobile view. So please take note, not all settings can be changed on mobile view, but on mobile view, if you are editing, you could see the option mobile portrait. This shows that whatever changes you make, it changes on mobile. You understand? That's what it means. But if there's no icon like here, you don't have an icon for mobile or PC. So whatever image you change here affects whether mobile, desktop, or tablet. It does so. So, but the beautiful thing about templates is you don't need to worry yourself about whether it's responsive or not. So you can actually work with it without concern about that. That's why it's a template. It has been done to be responsive for you. So you may not need some other options, like for example, probably I may not need, it's not advisable for businesses not to have what customer says about us. So let's say I may not need a showcase of our work because I may not have, I could just simply delete it. That's it. And leave it as it is. So once I'm done, I save. That's what I do. I save. And once I save, there are two ways. Just go back. You can tap on here to preview changes, how changes were made. So this is it. You understand? And this same rule applies to other pages. About us, services, contact us. You can edit other pages. So for example, you could be here and let's say you have more than 3 testimonials you want to add. Just tap on this, right click and duplicate. Duplicate means, you see, it's going to pop up. So for example, you just have 5, not 6. I know you're by default you want to tap here, something like this, tap and delete. No, so you are going to spoil things. Look at what you do. Ctrl Z to go back. Instead, just tap here, delete. Yes, as a beginner, you have to pass through that process. Delete. That's it. It's empty. So when you are viewing the website, it's not going to try to force this to be elongated, but it will be maintained like this, and the beauty of your site still remains. So you could do this for every other aspect, whether in services you want to add more services, you can just duplicate a section, either inner section, here it's inner section, or you duplicate a section. You understand? So that's it on here. And so the same principle applies when editing other pages. So with this, you've actually built a beautiful website. That's what you've done. And the next thing is to go back to our dashboard. Do we have a dashboard? Yes, we do. You could see pages, all pages. So here it gives you the list of the pages that have been created. So when we install this template, we have about, contact, home, services. You see front page or home page settings, which we saw earlier on in that customizer. So this is how it is. So there is no much to be done here. So it's just that simple. So this, I believe, can actually put you through on how to actually get started building websites with Elementor. Oh, sorry, with WordPress. So the next thing you may ask yourself is, how can I move these online? Yeah, I think it's something that I will show you how it works. That will be the next and I believe the last module for this course. The last module, yes, for this course, or I would say the last section of this course. Yes, it's the last module of this course. I'm correct here. Perhaps I may want to release another course on Elementor and how Elementor really works, or a particular plugin. I think I can be doing that from time to time. The purpose of this course is to get you started in knowing how to build a website As you can see, without me telling you, if you see this website, you would say it's an exceptional one. What makes it exceptional? It is beautiful. That is it. So I have taught you something today, and I hope it has really been beneficial for you in the long run. So I will do a video, perhaps the last, like I said, on how to move this to a live website. Or if you are working on a live website on a live host, you don't need to do this. So getting started with a live host, you can just go through any video online. If you want help on that, just let me know. I can recommend a YouTube video. In fact, I can even recommend a YouTube video on getting started with Elementor. Mine is to give you the basics, the groundwork, so you could get started doing something good, and you could also learn from others also on how to perfect the foundation that I have given you. So I hope you've really been blessed by this video, this course. So if you need more help, let me know. I would see how I can create more depending on your requirement. But do not forget, if you want to use this to make a living, I think you can subscribe to my upcoming cohort. I do not know when it will come out, but depends on how many persons apply for that, so that I can teach you the business of doing things. I could easily do that, but I have time I use for something else. And so if I have to trade my time to teach you how to make money, then you also should be willing to give me something to save my time with, because time is money. But if you help out, I would also help you out. That's what it is. But for now, thank you, and I hope this course, though short it's a blessing for you. If you need more, like I said, let me know. But for now, goodbye and thanks.